Right now I'm on my way to get an oil change and I decided to take you with me. While I'm here, I'm going to go get my prescription from Giant Eagle because I have been really sick and I have a prescription to pick up there. Actually, what I think I'm gonna do is get the prescription first. Doesn't that make more sense? Get the prescription first. That way it can settle my stomach, hopefully, and then come back and get the oil change. I'm cracking up because the receipt blew away and I was like, oh my gosh. So let's converse a little while we wait to get this oil change. First of all, today's video is going to be different, obviously, because I am not feeling well, but I just had an epiphany. I just thought to myself, you know what? My husband normally takes my car to get an oil change, or he will change the oil himself. So what I'm going to do when I get home, actually when he gets home, I'm going to ask him, can you please show me how to do an oil change? Because I just paid $80 for an oil change, and I don't know if that's normal. Do you know if that's normal? Please let me know below in the comments, because honestly, I really don't know. I used to make fun of women who let their husbands do everything. I was like, you know, you need to be in the know. I am that woman. My husband is an alpha male and I'm an alpha female, and we know our place. He's a king, I'm a queen. I know my place as a queen, he knows his place as a king. And I let the king do what he wants to do. You feel me? When it pertains to like fixing things, doing maintenance on my car, putting gas in my car, he does that, and that's fine with me. I need to cook something. I've been eating broth, I've been eating bread, I've been eating rice, and now I'm to a point where I feel sick anyway, so I might as well just eat some food. But I think I'm gonna make it light. I'm probably gonna make some dirty rice with some ground turkey. That's about it. I need to hang the curtains in my daughter's room and also in the living room. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that today, but that is the plan. Oh, I got that cool gadget that I showed you guys in the last video. It is a steamer, and you can steam things with it. I want to steam my toilet with it. Remember, I prepared you guys, so don't come for me, okay? It's okay to see a toilet cleaning once in a while. Some people need that in their lives. Just saying. Guy was hilarious when he came to my car. I was asking him how to turn the maintenance light off because it says maintenance due soon, you need an oil change, and he was like, I'll show you how to do that. He's probably thinking to himself, this woman don't know nothing. And you know what? I don't, because I have a husband who does all that for me. At any rate, I'm just jibber jabbering and I really need a nap. I would love to take a nap right now. Fun fact, the only time I can nap is when I'm sick, and I really want to nap. Like, that's all I really want to do, to be honest with you. But things got to get done. Life goes on, life moves on, life's moving on around me, so I got to get up and go with the flow and try to just, you know, thug it out. So I'll see you back here in a little bit.
Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home.
$200 later, not 80, 200. No matter how many times I clean this area, it's always dirty, but I want to wipe off the inside of my car. Now, is it just me, or when you leave the oil change place, your car smells like oil, which makes me have the so that's why I want to clean my car out really quickly. I'm just going to use this all-purpose cleaner. It's a Method all-purpose cleaner, and it smells really good, and I'll try to get that oil smell out of the car. I'm allowing you guys into my personal life where I'm real vulnerable in this video. I'm showing you what I look like, which is a hot mess. I don't have any kind of color in my skin at all whatsoever because your girl was sick for 10 days. T-E-N, 10. It was some weird virus. They were not sure if it was bacterial or viral, but I was not the only person sick. There were like 4 other people at my job that had the same issue. And when I tell you, this is going to be TMI. Almost didn't make it to the toilet several times. My timing is good. What I'm gonna do is start cooking. Go ahead and turn this on now. I know it's kind of dark. I'll have to turn all the lights on. Joke is on me. I thought this was in the refrigerator. This is frozen. It's actually turkey cutlets. So what I'm gonna do is just put this on the stove, cover it up, let it thaw out while it's cooking. Okay, so now that you know my middle name is TMI, I'm feeling good today. I feel so energized. I feel like a human for the first time in the last, 10 days. Sit back and enjoy. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them below in the comments. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I have so much love for you. And I really hope that you are inspired by today's video to not get sick, okay?
I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your endless
the other day. It is chicken broth and it has like all kinds of good nutrients in there. I'm going to boil my rice in this broth.
Changing sensation. I hope I be something that you want.
I have fresh cilantro, fresh parsley, and I also have a red onion. So I'm gonna cut all of that up. These are my peppers, my bell peppers. They are red and orange. So let me get all this stuff cut up. The meat is doing good, the rice is doing good, so I'm gonna cut all of that up right while that's, you know, getting ready. Actually, I'm gonna just do the pull apart method. This is my parsley. I don't need a lot of fresh parsley. I don't want the taste to be like taken over, you know what I mean? And now I'm about to pull out the cilantro. It makes me want to cha-cha, you know what I'm saying? Okay, stop. Pulling out the cilantro, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the parsley. I'm just gonna pull it apart because I'm not gonna use a lot.
I hope I be your life-changing sensation.
All right, so I got my veggies all cut up. I wanted to show you my seasonings that I'll be using for my dirty rice. Mind you, this is my version of dirty rice. So it may not be your grandma's, but it's Kim's, okay? And no one's ever complained about my cooking. These are the ingredients I will be using. If you want to mimic this recipe, you can definitely take a screenshot of this, but I do not measure anything, so I can't even tell you what the measurements are. I need to get the middle of this meat cooked. I wanted to make sure that it unthawed first, but I'm definitely gonna put my seasonings on it right now, and I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to the pan because you already know, everything is better with butter. You wanna put your parsley and your cilantro in last. Get all those veggies in there, that way they can soak up the seasonings that you've already put in there. So now that I've tasted it, I wanna add some more seasoning to it because it was not to my liking, oh my gosh, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm gonna use this chicken bouillon and just add some more Cajun seasoning as well as some Lowry's. Once everything's nearly done, you wanna add a big heap of garlic, or jarlic, whatever you wanna call it. I'll try to go easy on the garlic, but I love garlic so much. As you can see, I've added my rice, and I added the cilantro, and also I added the parsley in here as well. So this is it. This is my rendition of a dirty rice, and when I tell you it's full of flavor, because I've tasted it several times, it's really good.
This is what you get when you think you know it all, but you don't. Then you're dead wrong, 'cause I won't crash and fall already over you, over you, over you. I am over you, over you, over you. I don't want you to think that I want you to change. You can make this right now when all is ruined again. How many times did you think that I was gonna let this slide? Now I know I can and I will get by. Or did you think I would cry? Or did you think I would fight? Or maybe you'll cross the line. There's no way to make it right. Sure I can get hurt, but I won't let you this time. 'Cause I know I will get by. Yeah. Knock from your pedestal. This is what you get when you think you know it all, but you don't. And you're dead wrong, 'cause I won't crash and fall already over you, over you, over you. I am over you, over you, over you.
One of my favorite steps of cleaning is cleaning the sink out. I just sprayed some Mr. Clean disinfectant in there. The smell is amazing. And then I have the Dawn Power Wash Free and Clear. I would not suggest using the same sponge that you clean your dishes with your sink. We have a separate sponge. We have a lot of sponges, and I change the sponge out every week.
Over you, over you, over you. Over you,
So as far as this stove, I will say, let me take this out so I can show you. These are pretty dirty, but I will do just a really quick touch up.
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait.
So I'm gonna clean these off real quick. I have my handy dandy scrub brush, some vinegar, and then again that Dawn Power Wash.
Has it been since I felt like this about anything?
tell you something about that Dawn Power Wash. If you don't use it, you really should, because it's really doing all the work for me. And how do I know it's working for me? Look at all the dirt coming off already. How about that?
But I want your clothes, baby, right now. I know you feel the same. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. Ooh, when you put your arms around me, we go flying into ecstasy. Ooh, I can feel our bodies trembling. Feel my adrenaline increasing. You make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long has it been since I felt you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you felt me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since we felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. Ooh, when you put your arms around me, we go fly.
I don't remember my access code and I just armed the house, so if I move too far, the alarm's gonna go off. Anyway, I have lost all energy for the day. Lesson learned, give yourself grace. It's okay if you cannot get things completed. There's always tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Low energy today, I showed up. I showed up and that is all that matters. Okay, now I gotta get this figured out. Here's my food. I made a very small plate. The only thing that I'm gonna add extra is cilantro. And by the way, we good, okay? We good. I didn't know the code, but I was able to do it on my phone without the code.